Transform your home and embrace sustainability by repurposing old doors with our unique ideas. Not only can you create stunning decor and furniture pieces, but you can also add a touch of personality and charm to your living space. Each repurposed door tells a story, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Whether you're looking to craft a rustic coffee table, a chic headboard, or a striking wall-mounted shelf, our guide provides step-by-step inspiration and tips to help you unleash your creativity. Don't let old doors gather dust. Turn them into statement pieces that reflect your style. By repurposing, you're not only saving money, but also making an eco-friendly choice that benefits the planet. Join the trend of upcycling today and discover the joy of creating one-of-a-kind home decor that you can be proud of. Check out our collection of ideas and start your DIY journey now. Thank you for exploring these creative ways to repurpose an old door with us. We hope you found inspiration for your own projects and are excited to give new life to forgotten materials. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share with friends who might also love these ideas. Your support helps us continue to create and share more innovative DIY solutions.